Hi there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this section we are going to cover about basics of set. So set is basically another data structure which is used to store values wherein no duplicates are allowed. So we already had a discussion on the different data structures in Python. So let's see how you can create set and perform some basic operations on set. Now if you remember, we had seen that to create a set you use curly braces. So let's try that out. So I just delete this and minimize this. Now say for example I say set1 is equals to an open and closed curly brace. If I try to print set1 and if I run, what do you think you will get? So we get it as, I need to print type of set1. So when I do this and if I run, you would see it gives you dictionary. Open and close curly braces are the syntax used for both set and dictionary. Dictionary, as we all know, stores key value pairs. For set, you cannot create an empty set this way. So to create a set, you will have to provide some value. So the moment you do this and if you run, you would see it says it's a class set, right? Another way that you can create set is I can say set2 is equals to, and I can use the function set. So if I go ahead and try to print the type of set2 and if I run, then you would see both are set. I can also create set from a list. So if I have a list wherein I have values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and if I say set3 is equals to set from the list L1, and if I try to print set3, how many values will the set3 have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, right? So if I go ahead and run, you would see it consists of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Even though 2, 3, 4 were repeated, they are not added in the set. So set does not allow duplicates. So no matter, even if you have duplicates, it will just ignore them. So in the set, you will only have unique values. That is the beauty of set. Now say for example, if I create a set and if I say, now in Python, in a set you can store values of different types as well. So I can say apples, I can say oranges, I can say true, which is a boolean value, I can say 10, I can say 4, 5, 6, 2, 9. Again if I try say hello, and if I go ahead and print S1, okay, can you see it prints true, then 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, then apples, oranges, and then hello. So basically set are unordered. I would say they are unordered. So no matter in what sequence you try to store the values in set, it's not necessary that you're going to get the same sequence out. So you would see, even though I had apples first, then oranges, but when you get the output, it can be true, 2, 4, and if you run on your machine, you may have some different output. So the output is not ordered in set. Since the output is unordered or the storage in set is unordered, it does not support indexing. So the way in list you have indexes and you can access directly values using get, you cannot do that in set. So if you would see when I say s1 dot, you have the methods of update, add, remove, discard, clear, but you will not see methods say get the way we had in list to get a particular value with index or index off, nothing like that. Okay. Yes, you can update the value in a set. So say for example, I create two sets. Suppose I say colors1 equal to, so colors1 equal to red, green, blue, and I say colors 2 is black, green and yellow. Okay, now if I say colors 1 dot update as an update function, and if I say colors 2, and if I go ahead and try to print colors 1, and if I run, you would see I get black, green, blue, yellow, red, and because green was duplicated in colors 1 and colors 2, you get only one time the color green. So you can see that I was able to update colors 1, and if you try to print colors 2, colors 2 will remain intact, which is black, green and yellow. If you want to display the values in a set, you definitely cannot use indexing, but you can use loops. So I can say for color in say colors 1, and I will be able to say print and color, and if you want it to be in uppercase, so indeed I can do that as well. So I can say color dot upper, and if I run, so yes, you would see I am able to iterate in the colors and display the values blue, yellow, black, green, red in uppercase. So these are the basic operations that you can perform on set. In the next video, we will deep dive into more operations in set. So see you in next video. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.